Hello everyone, my name is Jose Alberto Ayala Ortiz, and I'm a pharmacovigilance consultant. I've been working in pharmacovigilance for more than 20 years. I started working in the Danish Medicines Agency, and I've been working also in the pharmaceutical industry. I'm a pharmacovigilance consultant at today, and I am CEO of PVpharm, a pharmacovigilance service provider company. In this video, I'm going to show you the benefits of attending the DIA trainings. Pharmacovigilance is all about quality. In this training course, you will be able to learn a lot of aspects related to quality in pharmacovigilance, and moreover, you will also be able to have discussions and to ask trainers about the experience in pharmacovigilance quality management system. You will be able to understand SOPs, the quality management system, CAPAs, pharmacovigilance system master file, and many other topics that we will be covering during this training course.